Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 1 hour 30 minutes start to finish. Garlic chicken French fries tomato salad. Ingredients: chicken, butter, extra virgin oil, garlic, salt, pepper, potato cut in French fries, tomato, mayonnaise, parsley. Preparation: in a pot insert a piece of butter, melt slowly on low heat, add minced garlic and extra virgin oil. Insert the chicken and cook very slowly on a low flame for 50 minutes to keep the chicken moist and not to brown the garlic. Insert a tomato in boiling water for 2 minutes to make it easy to remove the skin, then insert in the refrigerator until the other ingredients are ready. Then slice the tomato, add salt, pepper, mayonnaise, and parsley. In a pot, bring neutral oil to 170 degrees Celsius, insert the fries, cook for 6 minutes, remove, wait 4 minutes, get the oil to 190 degrees Celsius and cook again for 2 minutes. This is used for double cooking the fries. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.